the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, bustling with life and energy. Colorful buildings line the streets adorned with vibrant murals depicting scenes of local life. Reggae music fills the air, mingling with the tantalizing aroma of jerk chicken and spicy curries.
Jamaica, the land of endless adventure and relaxation. I can't wait to dive in.
Alex visits the Bob Marley Museum, a vibrant tribute to the legendary reggae artist's life and music. They soak in the powerful lyrics and melodies, feeling inspired by Marley's message of love and unity. Alex explores the lush botanical gardens of Hope Gardens, a tranquil oasis in the heart of Kingston. They meander along winding paths, marveling at exotic flowers and towering palm trees. Alex ventures into the Blue Mountains, immersing themselves in the breathtaking natural beauty. They embark on a hike through dense rainforest, pausing to admire cascading waterfalls and panoramic vistas. Alex indulges in the culinary delights of Jamaica, savoring spicy jerk chicken, aromatic curries, and fresh seafood.
The flavors here are just incredible. Each bite is a new adventure.
They dine at roadside stalls and local eateries, relishing every mouthful of flavor. Alex unwinds on the pristine beaches of Negril, sinking their toes into soft golden sands.
This is the life, huh? Just feeling the sun on my skin and the sand between my toes.
They bask in the warm Caribbean sun, listening to the gentle lull of waves. Alex joins a vibrant street party in Montego Bay, dancing to the infectious rhythms of reggae music.
Look at this energy. It's impossible not to move with this music.
They mingle with locals and fellow travelers, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of Jamaican culture. Alex, now reclining in a hammock beneath swaying palm trees, a contented smile on their face.
Reflectively, Jamaica truly is a paradise. From its rich culture to its tantalizing cuisine and breathtaking landscapes, every moment here has been a treasure. I've found relaxation, adventure, and a deep connection to this beautiful island.
They close their eyes, feeling grateful for the memories they've made and the friendships they've formed.